Hello, children. I hope you must have done transpiration. I had sent you some questions. You must have done them. Continue revising your chapters. We come to the next chapter, endocrine glands. In our body, we have two types of regulation. One is the chemical regulation or the chemical control, and the other is nervous control. Chemical regulators are hormones. So, here you have the differences between hormonal control and nervous control. Hormonal control is usually slow, whereas nervous control is immediate or rapid. Hormones are transmitted chemically directly into the bloodstream. Nervous control, the impulses are transmitted electrochemically. Hormones affects different organs, whereas nervous control affects muscles or glands. Effect: short term or long lasting. Nervous control is only short lived. Hormones will affect growth. Nerves, no effect on growth. Hormonal control regulates metabolism. This will not regulate metabolism. Hormonal control cannot be modified by previous experiences. Nervous control can be modified. So, these are a few differences between chemical regulation and nervous regulation in our body. Definition of hormone: it is a secretion from endocrine glands which is poured directly into the blood and acts on target organs or cells of the same individual. Now, when you start writing this chapter in your notebook, you will begin with this definition of hormone. No need of the differences between hormonal and nervous control, that you will learn directly from the textbook. We now come to the properties of hormones. Hormones are secreted directly into the bloodstream and they act on target organs or cells, usually away from the source. They regulate the processes of our body by chemical means. Hormones produced in one species has same influence in the other species. They are produced in very small quantities and are biologically very active. Now, next is a very important point. Chemically, what are hormones? Chemically, hormones are proteins, amines, and steroids. Again, I repeat, chemically, hormones are proteins, amines, and steroids. Excess means over secretion. Hyper. Excess means hyper secretion. And deficiency is hypo or under secretion. Now, both excess and deficiency are harmful. They may lead to some disorders in our body. Hormones are generally not stored in our body, they are excreted out from our body. So, these were the properties of hormones. You will underline as I have done. No need to write the properties in your notebook. Children, do these progress check questions here. the principal endocrine glands in human body. We have these four in our syllabus: adrenal, pancreas, thyroid, and pituitary. This diagram given below is very important and I want you to draw it. In an outline of human body, you will mark and label the following glands: pituitary, thyroid, pancreas, adrenal, testis in male and ovary in females. How would you go on to draw this diagram? From the brain, hypothalamus hang the pituitary. Below the larynx, in front of the trachea, show the position of thyroid gland. Behind the stomach, in this curve, the fold of duodenum, you will make this leaf-shaped structure, pancreas. And remember, when I had done excretory system, we had done the exact location, the triangular cap-shaped structure above. So draw this diagram, children, neatly in your notebooks and read this chapter till here. I will continue this next class. I hope you have learned transpiration. Next week, I will be sending you the test questions of transpiration. Do the test with honesty, children. It is in your favor. All the best, children. Take care of yourselves and your family.